Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 12.5-inch touchscreen special head unit for Mercedes-Benz G-Class, CLA-Class, A-Class, GLA-Class 2013 to 2018 years. Okay, let me show the head unit. It will come with the special harness, so it's plug and play. This is a small speaker, and this connect back of head unit, and those connector plug and play. Okay. It supports the 4G. Okay, this is the UI interface, and you can change the theme back color with blue. Any color you can adjust this panel. Okay. Very fast response, and all apps are here. It built in Play Store, Google Maps, settings. It built in the Wi-Fi, connect Wi-Fi, and support SIM card slot and hotspot from your phone. You can visit our website belsee.com, blse.com. It's Android latest system and Tesla style screen. If you have any more questions, please visit our website. belsee.com, blse.com. Okay, let me show the settings. There are settings. This adjust system and language. Any language, you also can adjust language on the Android settings. This Android setting, this factory setting, password 1314, and this function, you can check the system and this vehicle information. Car display, please choose correct the car display with the screen. And this UI, this you can check that there latest UI in the system. You can choose it and reboot the system. It will save the UI, and also their boot logo. You can change it. Set successfully. You need to reboot the system will be saved. Okay, this factory settings. Let me check the Android settings. This Android setting Wi-Fi and 4G. Storage, total storage 256 GB total. This sound and about device, you can check the Android version 12 Android version. Okay. You have navigation. It built in the Google Maps. It's Google Maps and music. This resistance. And this DSP amplifier. Okay, and screenshot can check. HD. This Bluetooth and this pin number 1, 2, 3, 4. Please enable the Bluetooth from your phone at first. This Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth. Click search. Okay, choose it and connect. Your phone will get message. Please click pair. Contact listing. You can allow or refuse contact listing. Okay, you can make phone call.
For English service, please click 3.
Okay. This is free phone call, and you also can stream music from your phone. Okay, it works Bluetooth through phone call. And this is car information. You need to connect the backup camera for it. And video. It supports PRP function. Okay, and this link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The link app already built in the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and this original information dashboard. You can adjust the color. Okay. And this APK installer, you also can install this Z-Link 5, Z-Link CarPlay, Z-Link APK if you uninstall or it doesn't work, you can reinstall it. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please visit our website to contact us. Also can change this color, different color. Okay, that's all. Thank you.